Hi again. You're here for test number 2. Test number 2 is going to be at a rate of about 96 beats per minute. So it'll be just like test number 1, just a little more intense. So the same process, same thing with the feet on your step. If you go up with one, you can come down with the other. It doesn't matter. You just want to be going up, up, down, down with the cadence at all times. If you kind of fall off beat, get right back on beat as quick as you can. We're only going to go for a minute. When you get done, sit down. Find your pulse, either here or here, and I will tell you when to start counting it, when to stop, and when to write that down on your chart. All right, we're going to get started right away. So here's what our cadence sounds like. I'll tell you when to start, though. A little faster. Ready, go. Okay, stop. Go ahead and sit down. Find your pulse. And start counting. Ready, set, go. Stop. Hey, write that number here on your chart. Once you've written it down, find your pulse again. Hey, find it. And when I tell you, and start. Stop. Hey, write that number here on your chart. Once you've written it down, go ahead and find your pulse again. I'll tell you when to start counting. Hey, find it and start. And stop. Hey, write that number here on your chart. Once you have that number written down on your chart, find your pulse again. And when I tell you to, start counting. Hey, find it and start. Stop. Hey, write that number right here. We're going to do it one more time. So after you write that number down, find your pulse one more time here. And when I tell you to start counting, start counting. So find it and start. Stop. Okay, and that should be your last one on your chart. Go ahead and fill that in. If you need help filling in the rest of the chart, refer back to my first video. Otherwise, there's one more. There's a third test. This one's going to be using a more intense cadence. So it's going to be higher beats per minute. You're going to work a little harder on that third test. But remember, take a break. Now, before that third test, take a 5 to 10 minute break. Let your heart rate get back down because you want to start close to that resting heart rate to make these tests more accurate. Otherwise, great job. We'll see you in the last test.